we've just spoken about the flexible pan connectors, and I pointed out to you we're the only manufacturer to do AVA and polypropylene connectors. AVA material is slightly softer, where polypropylene is more rigid. Now we have the Macfit range of connectors, giving the plumber the choice of what permutation of connector or inlet he requires, and it's a product of choice which no one else can offer. Now, unlike the older type of connector, this washer here, this seal, had a habit of being pushed inside the actual connector because it wasn't fixed. Now what McAlpine done is, we have included a circlip where the seal can be replaced if necessary. It won't have to be, but if necessary it can. It can be put back in, and then the circlip secures the seal and doesn't allow the seal to be removed from the socket during installation. Macfit range of WC connectors. Thank you.